Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Lamy Scribble Ballpoint pen. And I'm kind of interested to check this one out. I've only looked at the Lamy multi-pen before, and I'm curious to take a look at some of their other stuff. I looked at the Safari, maybe one other one, but I'm interested to check out the Scribble. Alright, so this is the Lamy Scribble. It's not a very big pen. Feels. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not, but it doesn't really have a click. It's kind of smooth. So this is the Lamy Scribble Ballpoint pen. Not bad. There's a spring in there, and that's unexpected. It takes a teeny tiny ink cartridge. That is interesting. So, this is very interesting. So it just takes a little bitty teeny ink cartridge. It's unexpected. Oh, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check this out. It's not super expensive. I want to say it was like 30 bucks or 40 bucks. It feels like I like the feel of the pen. It doesn't feel uncomfortable in your hand, and it feels relatively substantial, and it kind of has that elegant Lamy look to it. What do y'all think? It's kind of interesting. Here's the big test. Gotta draw a crab. So, it draws crabs okay, which is good, I guess. That's an interesting pen. What do y'all think? Have any of y'all tried the Lamy Scribble before? Can I screw it up there too? Do y'all ever have the impression sometimes that you're doing something and there's about to be a sproing and everything pops out? So I guess it's just to remove that clip, maybe? I'm assuming I could probably pull out the mechanism too, but I don't know if I feel like collecting all the little parts right now. So you can declip it if you want as well. That's not bad. Anyway, let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried the Lamy Scribble and you like it, dislike it, or just think it's kind of neat. And if there's any pens or pencils or whatever you think I should check out, let me know in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.